Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here today I'm making my super quick, easy, fun, and flavorful salad. So stay tuned. So for the first ingredient, I'm gonna use spinach. Spinach is pretty much a fattier lettuce, but I don't look at it that way because lettuce is lettuce. And then the second one I have, it's a mix. So it has arugula and it has spinach and it has some like purple leaves in it. So the third one I have is arugula. A lot of people don't like arugula because it's strong in flavor, but I like it because it gives it a little kick. So those are the three lettuces I'm using. And then also for toppings, I'm not using a lot of toppings, but I'm gonna be using cherry tomatoes to give it a little sweetness. And then I'm also going to be using a red onion to give it a little bit more of a kick. A lot of people don't like red onion, but I don't know, I can eat it every day. So for the other toppings, I have organic croutons. So for those of you that don't want to eat bread, croutons are just pretty much addicting. So I got these are garlic and Parmesan, but they're made from quinoa. So it's more of like the healthier approach if you're trying to watch your carbs. And for the dressing, I have a light balsamic vinaigrette. Neamons Own is probably my favorite. As far as calorie wise, this is probably the lowest amount of calories that you're gonna find with Neamons Own. The other ones taste really good, but they're pretty high in calories. So this is the one I go for. Oh, and also I believe 100% profits go to charity. So it's a win-win. Salad toppings. This is the crunchy and flavorful. This is optional. It just gives you a little bit of flavor. And I also use black pepper, and I use this in everything, you guys, like everything. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner. It's chopped chives. This is a quick alternative to not having to chop your chives. So let's go ahead and plate. I have a bowl right here. So we're gonna start with the spinach. Since this one has spinach already, I'm not gonna use too much of this spinach because this is the mix that I had talked about earlier. So we'll start off with spinach. And this is sometimes what I'd go for, like a quick snack, a quick lunch when I don't really have time. And also what helps is making your own food, because I'm trying to go into the more health conscious route. When I make my own food, I have less sodium, which I don't know if you guys have that issue, but I get bloated with the water weight from sodium. So when I cook my own food, I notice that I have more energy, I have, my skin is clear, water weight is down, and I have more energy to work out. Working out is really, really important to me. I try to get in like 5 workouts a week. That is ideal, but sometimes when I'm pressed for time, I only get like 2 or 3. And that's why I make salads like this, so it could be really quick, really fast, really simple, so where you're not like, oh, what am I gonna eat? Let me just make a quick salad so I can get on with my day. Lastly, I use arugula. I don't put arugula at the bottom because it's more of a stronger punch, so when I put it on the top, I mix it together, then I'll know if I want to add more. So I don't really even use a lot of arugula either. And arugula and balsamic vinaigrette typically work hand in hand. Arugula, balsamic, and cherry tomatoes. I don't really eat cheese because I'm lactose intolerant, so you guys aren't really gonna see me cook a lot of stuff with cheese. And I've tried cheese alternatives, but it's just not the same. Either I get the cheese or I don't. I can't be in between and try to get some cheese here and there because I'm lactose and try to do the alternative, which is just nasty. So I'm going to actually cut my onion. I don't like knives in the house. I have like, I don't know, this weird situation where I just don't like knives. So I really just cut with a butter knife. It works like a charm. So you cut both sides off. And cut in the middle. When I'm coming off of a cleanse, I don't know if you guys know, but a few weeks ago I came off, well actually it's been a month, I came off the master cleanse. And that's something that I typically do seasonally just to get the gunk out and so I can feel better and have more energy. So when I come off of it, it's not like I'm going straight into burgers and fries. I'm typically trying to do something healthy like this, but let me hurry up and cut these because my eyes. I don't use a whole lot, just a little bit. Ah, my eyes. Let's chop up these cherry tomatoes. If you guys see me crying, it's because of the onion. Super simple and easy. Sometimes if I'm feeling like extra, I'll cut this little part out, but it doesn't hurt anyone. So I am done with my cherry tomatoes and I'm just gonna put some toppings on just to spice it up because a lot of people think that salads are boring, but honestly, it's super convenient, and when you're done eating a salad, you're not gonna regret it like, oh my God, I shouldn't have ate that salad. When you're eating a burger, you're gonna really regret eating that burger when you wanna be more health conscious. Like, who doesn't love burgers? But for me, I just like to try to keep it healthy, especially after coming off of a cleanse. And I need convenience because I'm super busy. So even with these bowls, I bought these bowls, are salad bowls, and it's like I bought them to motivate me to eat salad, so it actually works. So anyways, toppings. Let's start with this, my favorite. This is the chopped chives. I go a little heavy on it. Oh, another thing, I don't measure anything. When I'm making a salad, when I'm cooking dinner, I don't measure anything because I've been cooking for so long, I really don't need to measure. I go off of taste. I used to be in the kitchen with my grandma cooking. Every Sunday, we would have Sunday dinners. So from that to now, I don't really measure, but I will leave how much measurements I use, well, eyeball, in the description below. So let's move on to the pepper. I don't really go too hard because you can add pepper, but you can't take it away. It's just like with salt. You can add salt, but you can't take salt away. And then second to last is the salad toppings. This is just to add a little flavor because salads sometimes can be quite boring, but you can spice it up a little. And in this is, should have told you guys before, it says made with real vegetables. So in this, it has sunflower seeds, soybeans, textured soy protein, onions, canola oil, carrots, sugar, salt, red and green bell peppers, parsley, and a whole bunch of other stuff. And lastly, we're gonna do the light balsamic. So I don't put salt in my salads. Some people do, but I prefer not to in my salad because you guys already have 13% of sodium and 2 tablespoons. So this is pretty much your salt, and you can avoid holding on to that water weight like me. The thing is with light balsamic, you gotta hurry up and shake it and then hurry up and open it. What happens is the flavors quickly go below and then the oils tend to rise up quickly, so. All right. Lost my train of thought. Getting tongue tied. I thought the light balsamic was last, but no, we have the garlic and Parmesan made from quinoa croutons. These are really good. Sometimes I just pick them out the bag and eat them as a snack, and I don't even put it on my salad. Cheat code. So we throw a little on there, and there you have it. Here, you guys, is a quick and easy salad to make life simple and easy. When you're on the go, you can honestly put this in a container and grab you a fork. If you have to dash out, you can eat it on a break or at the park, whatever you guys like to do. So that's my super simple, easy salad. I hope you guys make this at home. If you do, tag me and let me know because it's gonna make me inspired to continue to make healthy food videos. So let me know if you guys want me to make more healthy videos, quick, simple, easy videos, whatever you guys would like to see. Honestly, comment below. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.